Hey friends, it's time for another room tour. We are here at Lake Buena Vista, Wyndham. OMG, look at this kitchen, guys. Oh, hi. Look who finally made it in. What you have, baby?
I got lunch.
What is that?
Finally trying Qdoba.
Qdoba,
right?
Okay, awesome sauce.
Alicia, that's a nod to my sis.
Yes, hello. I was just giving everybody a room tour.
Oh,
see the beautiful
okay.
painting? Yes.
Oh, did you already get over here?
I did. I got the kitchen already, sweetheart. Okay, so the dining area. So Eric's gonna be preparing our food.
Yeah. Big shout out to our sis, Marissa.
Marissa, she gifted this staycation because Eric graduated with his master's.
Woo!
So here's the living room. I like the chrome accents. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Now this I thought was super cute and intriguing at the same time because I love the stonework on it. I love the plants, the foliage. There we go. This is so beautiful. There's another shot of the graduate. Hi, handsome.
Hi.
Oh, he's so adorable. And this is where all the magic happens, honey. Yes. Magic happened here last night. Sorry about the crumpled sheets. Beautiful King Deluxe Suite. What I love about this is so super cute. I love everything, the dressers. And I told my husband, I said, see, this is my style, period, point blank. Beautiful closet. Super cute closet. Let me give y'all a good look, good view. And a safe, yes indeed, praise the Lord. And I was told this is one of their renovated suites. So I love it, it's super cute. The bed is firm. Yes, it is. Again, that magic happened. Apologies for the crumple. But it's beautiful, right? Jacuzzi tub. The jets are in there. Oh, regular tub. It's a tub. Look at that artwork. Isn't this gorgeous? Boop, there I am. Here I am again, boop, boop. Boop. Just loving it. Washer and dryer's over there. Beautiful bathroom. I'm loving it. Boop, there's me again. Washer and dryer combo. And what I love about this the most, guys, is, boop, we're out here yet again. We're back into the kitchen. And look at Stallion is preparing the food. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sit down and enjoy our lunch. But thank you guys for coming on this room tour. I'm super excited to share this with you. All right, love you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.